Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying essentials. The host already has internet and Bluetooth turned on. Pair the client device with the host, now using the system pairing flow, and confirm the PIN. Pairing must be stable. Next, enable tethering or internet sharing on the host and choose Bluetooth Personal Area Network or Bluetooth Hotspot as the shared interface. Once done, make sure the host's firewall allows sharing and that airplane mode is off on both devices so the link can form without interference. Now configure the network layer so traffic flows. On the host, confirm or set the Bluetooth PAN IP for subnet and enable DHCP for the PAN interface, or note the static IP if using one. On the client, connect to the paired device and set the network interface to use the Bluetooth PAN, choose DHCP for simplicity, or enter the static IP, gateway, host IP, and DNS manually. Once configured, check routing and DNS. Ping the host IP to verify Layer 3 connectivity before testing web access. Finish by validating internet access. Load websites and run a speed check to set expectations. Bluetooth yields modest throughput compared to Wi-Fi. If connectivity fails, immediately restart Bluetooth services on both devices and unpair, then repair to clear stale links. Also re-enable tethering on the host. If problems persist, gather diagnostics. Check the PAN interface IPs, run ping and trace route, and inspect DNS resolution. One key troubleshooting tip. If the client can reach the host, but not the internet, focus on host and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.